Hi guys, so I'm here to show you guys a headband wig from Beauty Forever Hair on Amazon. It is a 16-inch, like the ombre body wave. So I'm excited for that. And this is the box that it came in. And I have not opened the hair yet. Here it is. Inside of the box, they did give me a headband, an extra headband, and a wig cap. All right. This is their 1BTL 412 and 16 inches. Every time I open a wig, I feel like a kid Christmas morning. Like, I feel like my birthday, which is April 20th. Catch up, you know, in the description box if you want to send me a birthday gift. Love the companies that have the wide comb in the front. And you have two on the side and one in the back. It also has, drum roll please, an adjustable strap. Y'all are getting creative. All right, let's see. I haven't even tried it on yet. I'm just gonna use the adjustable strap and let's go. Ooh, put the comb right there. I like to show some of my hair with my headband wigs. So fresh out the bag. Very soft. Love this color. It's very soft. I love this color. I'm gonna take a rubber band and do like a half up, half down. I think I'm gonna put on this pink. Is cute. Okay, so very simple, very simple. This wig is from Beauty Forever with their Amazon store. All the information on this hair will be in the description box, and a code so you can save some money, you know, save some points. So I like this hair. I love the ombre. I love the highlights with the ombre. You guys can see some right there. That is it for this video. Headband wigs have to be the most convenient things out here right now. And if you don't have one, what are you waiting for? Okay, like what are you waiting for? So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video helpful. Very quick, I'm not gonna hold you long because that's just how simple a headband wig is, okay? Not going anywhere no time soon. I'm so corny. But that is it for this video, so until next time, bye guys.